You are going to love the 2019 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation system, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.